Once your strategy is running in practice mode, you are taken to the strategy overview screen. Here, you can see all open positions the strategy has taken, pending orders that are queued up, a complete order history, and every signal that has been triggered all in one place. Your total P&L is prominently displayed on the right side, giving you an at-a-glance view of how the strategy is performing. For a deeper analysis, click on View Complete Analysis or navigate directly to the Analysis tab at the top. In the Analysis section, you can filter performance by a specific date range. You will see key metrics including total signals generated, number of winning trades, number of losing trades, missed signals, overall win percentage, and a detailed profit and loss distribution. Below that, a month-wise calendar view breaks down the strategy's daily performance across the entire month, making it easy to identify patterns, strong days, and weak days at a glance. You can also download the complete performance report directly from this screen for offline review or record keeping.